What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autotopnl. My name is Martin, and today I am violating the serenity of this big, beautiful German forest with this, a supercharged Audi R8 V10 Plus by MTM, called the MTM GT. So apparently it's not just a supercharger, it's a full kit, you know, loads of carbon fiber winglets, carbon fiber bonnet, a massive wing at the rear, and a full exhaust shooting from the back, just straight out of the back instead of, you know, normally they sit right over there. But you probably recognize the car from a previous video we did like 2 years ago. Back then it had 802 horsepower. So they've done a big update for this car, and today I'm going to see if I can notice the difference and see if we can measure that extra 20 horsepower on the Autobahn. So let's go. As you can see, supercharged 822 horsepower. We have these beautiful pieces of art called the Recaro podiums, full carbon seat. As you can see, it's just a big piece of carbon fiber padded with these things. You'd think that they're super uncomfortable, but actually they are just right about the perfect seating position, which means they're also pretty comfortable. So we're just going to enjoy a bit of B-road driving in this beautiful forest, and then we are taking this to the Autobahn to unleash all 822 horses over there. So we're in comfort mode right now, not really interested in that. I'm going to push that little flag right there, stick into manual mode. Wow, that gearbox is so fast. It is the fastest gearbox I've ever experienced. I don't notice any delay whatsoever. It's PDK like. Oh, that is fast. The beautiful thing about the supercharger kit is that it only amplifies the naturally aspirated character of the engine. That's a benefit compared to a turbo kit. It runs like an NA engine, only with a lot more torque and power. Now, of course, with a turbo kit you can run a lot more power. I mean, we've already seen that Huracan twin turbo that I drove with 1250 horsepower. That car is currently doing 1500 horsepower. So you will never get that with a supercharger. But another plus for the supercharger is durability. This thing has done 100,000 kilometers and it didn't have any issues whatsoever. So someone I know also has a Lamborghini Huracan with a supercharger on it, and he has the same experience. 120,000 kilometers, no issues. And the turbocharged ones I know do have issues. So I think in the end I would go for a supercharger, because the way this thing runs, would you want any more? Well, apparently some people do, but this seems pretty perfect to me. It is just way too fast for these B roads. So let's hit the Autobahn. Normally we always do the Autobahn POV and all the measurements, but I thought I'd do everything in one video. Oh my god, it's fast! That supercharger whine combined with just the sheer speed. Oh, what an awesome experience. And I love the fact that the howl of the supercharger kind of matches the howl of the naturally aspirated V10. I promise you guys, I can do this all day long. Honestly, I think this is my favorite supercar ever, the R8 in GT by MTM. The power, the whole experience, the sound, the gearbox, everything is sort of perfect for me. Also the V4 MTM suspension kit, it's just so sweet. It's not like rock hard, it's not making you feel like you're in a race car. It's just that it is so intuitive to throw into a corner, and the way it behaves is so fluid. Carbon ceramics. Oh, what an experience this car is. I love the fact that when you go half throttle you feel torque. There's torque there, which with the stock car there just isn't. Even though It feels like a naturally aspirated V10 with a lot of torque. Just the perfect experience for me. What a car, absolutely adore it. As I said, my favorite supercar. So guys, thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making it. Let's just open the window to get rid of that fly. Yeah, that's the reason why I'm doing that. Whoa. What a car, MTM. This is absolutely fantastic. Oh, there's also a little tunnel. This video just keeps on going. And that's legal. Man, this is such an awesome experience. As I said, a turbocharged R8 is faster, but the driving experience for me in this car is a 10. Thanks guys, hope to see you at the next video. Bye.